Hello guys, you're welcome back to Emadek TV. Today is a very exciting day and we are here to review a personality or talk about a personality who has been trending in Ghana, and I call him the most famous and the most trending YouTuber currently in Ghana now. He's formerly known as Rasnene, and that was the name given to him by his peers and his colleagues in the movie industry. Dr. Likee was born by the name Ebenezer Kwesi Entry, and that is the name given to him by his parents. Dr. Likee happens to be a movie star, or let me say an actor, way back 2011, 2012, 13, 14. He was part of the Ghana movie industry, and was popularly seen in most of the Kumawood movies. Dr. Likee happens to be someone that most of his movies that he shot, he's been seen as either a gangster, an armed robber, a bodyguard, or whatever. He was never seen as a cool guy. He was never seen as maybe a rich guy, or let's say a gatesman, or any of the characters or any of the role you can think of. But he was always seen as a gangster, an armed robber, a bodyguard, assassinator, or whatever it is you can call it. So Dr. Likee was known to be a very aggressive person, and that was how or most of the roles he played, that was how they used him. He's either he's an armed robber or a gangster, a bodyguard, or whatever. And he was doing marvelously well in the movie industry until somewhere 2015, 16, 17, the Ghanaian movie industry started sinking down due to so many factors. Some are saying that it was as a result of 2015-16 the light out issues that were happening in Ghana. Others were also saying that it's as a result of an introduction of some telenovelas that were being changed from their original language to a popular Ghanaian language, that's the Twi. And so because of that, most people are saying that people decided to be much interested in watching the telenovelas that were translated in Twi than the original Ghanaian movies that were shot and produced by the Ghanaians in their own or in the country. And so due to so many factors, but I also have a different opinion about all these factors, and I think that at the right time we will also come and talk about it, or we'll share why the Ghanaian movie industry collapsed, or why the Ghanaian movie industry is not as it used to be some years ago. We will come and talk about that, but now I want to focus much on Dr. Likee. So in 2015, 2016, 17, when the movie industry started sinking down, Dr. Likee and his colleagues were no more used, were no more being cast in most of the Ghanaian movie industries. So I remember somewhere 2019 was when Dr. Likee started shooting short skit as a comedian. So you can imagine someone moving from being an armed robber, being a gangster, being a very aggressive person, to shoot comedy skits. And that was where he got the name Dr. Likee, and even getting the name Akabeneza. He has since been a very popular person, and through this comedy skit, he has shot over 1,000 comedy skits, which are all flooded in there. Flooded on YouTube now, and whenever you want to watch them, or wherever you are, just tap in Dr. Likee, Dr. then Likee, Likee, or Akabeneza, and you will get most of this comedy skit I'm talking about to watch. He is now known to be one of the most successful and one of the most popular. And currently, if you are in Ghana and you want to shoot a short skit, if you're in Ghana and you really want to be part of a team that can easily make you successful in your journey to YouTube, then I recommend Dr. Lakee's group to you, because they are really doing very well. As I speak to you now, Dr. Likee and his team has come out with a very nice series. It's their own version of Apocalypto, and trust me, it's a very exciting movie that at the right time we'll also come and talk about that movie. And he, like I said, he's now the most successful and the most well-known YouTuber currently in Ghana when it comes to comedy skills, and he's doing marvelously well. If you haven't heard of Dr. Likee, then don't worry, because I'm going to add his name. I'm going to write his name at the description button. I'm going to write their link to their latest series, Akakaluto, in the description bottom, and you can go there to. It is being translated in English, so wherever you are, as long as you can read and understand, I recommend this series to you. Go and watch it and see how beautiful their set design, the location, and the costume, everything is a very unique one. Everything is a very unique one, and I believe you are going to love it. Dr. Likee is seriously trending Ghana, is seriously putting Ghana on the map, and most people, I know you have watched his movies, or you have watched his series, you have watched his short comedies, but you don't know, or you have no idea that he is, or he comes from Ghana. So the truth is that Dr. Likee comes from Ghana, and he's now currently the most trending and the most successful and the most popular YouTuber currently in Ghana. Thank you so much for subscribing to Emadek TV. Thank you so much for listening to. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will give you more updates, and we'll give you more videos like this in the coming weeks. Thank you. Keep on subscribing. Bye.